How do we eradicate smell during monthly menstrual period?
Fashion, family, lifestyle.
Hey you all, welcome to another version with your girl, the fashionable Hannah, and today we are talking about a very sensitive topic. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to show your girl some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Today we're talking about hygiene, especially ways to eradicate smell during your period. This is very sensitive because people don't tell you. People find it hard to engage in such discussions. Nowadays, I have 3 girls and I have to find a way to teach my girls good and healthy hygiene tips, especially as they are growing up. So please, if you have girls, if you're a girl, you have uncles, aunties, it's always good to educate them, whether you're male or female, whether you have kids or not. So we're gonna talk about menstruation. Menstruation is a woman's monthly bleeding, usually called her period. Here, during this time, the woman has like a discharge of monthly buildup in her body, and sometimes you have some smell. So here comes to my topic for today. How do we eradicate smell during monthly menstrual period? As for me, I'm going to be giving you some tips. Stay tuned, it's your girl. So the first way to eradicate menstrual smell, first of all, is regularly changing your pads or your tampons. I recommend 2 to 3 hours that you have to change. If it means setting up your alarm, you have to change your pads or your tampons every 2 to 3 hours. Secondly, I encourage you to practice like healthy hygiene tips. What do I mean by this? First of all, as a woman, it's very important to keep yourself very clean, especially during your menstrual period. I recommend bathing at least twice a day. I mean twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening, and sometimes during the day. So what do you use to bathe to eradicate? As for me, I'm going to be showing you this. This is from Bath & Body Works. I'm telling you, this is their essential oil, eucalyptus and spearmint stress relief body wash and foam bath with vitamin E and aloe vera. Girls, you all need this. You need this, and this is so refreshing. It contains eucalyptus oil, which kind of like clears the mind, and spearmint oil. It gives you soothing and uplifts everything within you. This is what you need. I'm telling you, this is what you need. This is the secret of eradicating all that menstrual smell. Sometimes you feel the smell within you, or let's say odor, but sometimes other people can. So it's very important to use this. And I'm going to also recommend using this sugar body scrub at least once a day. Use this at least once a day. Your body is going to be so refreshed. This is made with aloe vera again, vitamin E, jojoba almond oil, and sugar exfoliant. You have to exfoliate your body once a day. I'm telling you, you are not going to smell anything less than fruity and wanting to get in your bed. This is going to eradicate all the odor you're feeling. It smells so good. Who doesn't want to stand by somebody who smells so good? So this has like some oils, and this has like sugar. So you simply just rub it on your body, wash your body, exfoliate your body at least once a day during your period. I recommend doing this especially in the morning, like really quick before stepping out if you're working also. It's very important. So another way you can eradicate this odor during your menstrual period is by using this honey pot. Honey pot, this is the magic, guys. This is absolutely the magic. With this, it's 100% organic cotton cover super pads. A lot of people don't know about it, but let me tell you something. Walmart carries this, Walgreens carries this, CVS carries this. This is a plant-derived feminine care. It includes mint, lavender, and aloe vera. I'm telling you, when I tell you, this gives you a lot of confidence and clean sense or sensation during your period. It has a kind of mint smell. Those who have cramps during their menstrual period, It first of all helps with that cramp first. It helps with cramps and headaches, and secondly, it eradicates all the smell. This is organic and it has been clinically proven to work. So you guys try this and let me know. It's herbal, first of all, and it's plant derived. It has no fragrances. When you're on your period, you don't want to use anything of that contains fragrances or chlorine. So it doesn't have fragrances or chlorine. It is soft, comfortable, and breathable. You guys need to have this pad. Every girl should have it. This company has the pant liner, which you could use like after your period or a few days before your period, and it has the feminine wash. The feminine wash is also herbal and it has been clinically proven to work. So I would definitely do recommend this company. This is it. Then guys, guess what? After your shower, all you need is a good body spray or cologne to put on your body. I'm telling you, nobody's gonna smell anything. You do this consistently for 5-6 days and boom, everybody will want to be by you. They're not even gonna notice if you're on your period. So this is a very sensitive topic. I use this method and like you cannot tell when I'm on my period or when I'm not on my period. The last thing I use is this mahogany thick wood cologne. I'm telling you, even though it's a men's cologne, I definitely love it and I would definitely recommend. You can use any body splash or any cheap cologne you have. It doesn't necessarily, I just put this like behind my ears and I'm telling you, so good, so good. So I use this. These are my steps. I change my pads regularly to every 2 to 3 hours. If it means waking up in the night to change my pads, I definitely do. And this helps with like headaches. So another thing for you to do is drink enough fluids. During your period, you want to drink enough fluids. You want to stay hydrated, especially for some of us who are anemic. We take some iron pills because we are losing out a lot of blood. So you want to stay on iron pills if you are prescribed with iron pills or you're an anemic and you want to hydrate yourself. Drink a lot of water. I do recommend this. I cannot overemphasize it because you're losing so much blood and you don't want to pass out or something bad happens to you. And lastly, if you feel so much odor or something coming out, it's very important to visit your provider to check what's going on, what might be happening inside your body. It's always important to track and monitor your menstrual cycle because a lot of people miss on their periods or their periods come in so late. You don't want that happening consistently, which can lead to like other things going on in your body. So it's very important to track and monitor your period. Visit your provider if you have questions. So now we have come to the end of this topic. Remember to get your stuffs and thank you for watching. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah, bringing you with style tips, hygiene and makeup and family. Thank you. Bye.